How to change Uber Eats delivery address. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can change your delivery address on Uber Eats. Open the Uber Eats application and before ordering, tap on your current delivery address at the top of the screen. Now, enter a new address in the search bar or choose a saved one. If needed, you can adjust the pin on the map for precise locations and then tap on confirm or done. And now order from restaurants using your updated address. If you're going to change your delivery address after ordering, you can't directly change the address. You can message the driver through the in-app chat with the new directions or cancel the order if possible and reorder with the correct address. So always verify your address before confirming and include delivery instructions like gate codes, apartment numbers in the notes. So this was all about it. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.